Emfethu ngithunyiwe la and kubukeka sengathi ngithunywe kuwena. Thiwa kuwena ngisho ukuthi stop being too available and stop being desperate. Uyazi ukuthi i-excess, too much availability makes you to be undervalued because scarcity creates value. Something that is scarce, that everyone wants it but can't get hold of it. The value, the price of that thing increases. And if it's too available, there's no value. The value drops. The most available person in the room is the less respected person in the room. Stop being desperate. Stop being too available. The desperation is an energetic signature in your aura. It pushes away the very same thing that you are desperate for. It pushes it away. Look, masikhuluma ngama-credits. Kunento ekuthiwa i-utilization, i-credit utilization. Mabe check i-credit score yakho. Yakha 15% of your credit score. Utilization. They check ukuthi wena if you have 10,000 available, what percentage do you spend? If when you spend 50% of 10,000, they see that you are desperate and then you are not going to get it. Or they're gonna charge you huge interest. Ngoba ngalesi sikhathi ubingelele changes akasha uthi ngenzela noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Yabona ke being too available kuzokwenza ukuthi udrop. Babefuna ucomment wena bayazi ukuthi uzocomment. They know ukuthi they got you. Babekudinga wena bayazi ukuthi bazokuthola. And by the time when you become available too often, you think you are going to be valued because you are valuable. It's the opposite. They can tell you that you are valued, you are appreciated because you are available, but emakhoneni they just laugh at you. You are too available. Awukho busy. You don't even take yourself serious. Being too available. It drops your value. The very same value that we are trying to increase. Let me be available to my friends. Let me be available to my family. Let me be available to wherever. Too much of it. Too much of it. Too much of what you have. Too much of what you do. Being available. Kwesinye isikhathi nje aboke beyithethu uzophawula uvela uthule. Kwesinye isikhathi nje aboke beyitshela ukuthi uzoba khona uvela ungabibikho. Kwesinye isikhathi aboke beyitshela ukuthi uzovuma uvela ungavumi. Ngobani? Too much availability, the excess will make your value to drop. That is the market or the economic law value. Which once the supply increases, in the journey price, ya drop. Ngoba vele nento ikhona. Uba cheap kahle kahle. It's like you don't have the backbone. Wena nje mabe kufonela nje akazi ukuthi ubhizi wena. Hlezi ukhona nje. Ishoni lonto ngawe ukuthi awukho busy. Ishoni lonto ngawe. And by the time wena desperate, udlala desperation, awubi nayo command. Awubi nayo ile boldness because when now you are desperate. And by the time when now you are desperate, you think kuzobonakala ukuthi desperate and then you are going to be given. No. Energetically, desperation will push what you are desperate for away from you. But mukhombisa sengathi awunandaba. That is where into izofika khona. Yabona, the more you need money, the less it becomes available to you. The less you need it, the more it comes. You are the living testimony of that. You don't have to fool yourself, but you don't have to be too attached to something. You don't have to be too attached, because the too much attachment creates an energetic loop. You see? You are the universe. You are giving things to you. You are taking things away from you. The very same person that is too available is the very same person that is less valued. I'm telling you for free. Psychologically, it means something. It means something. Ubobona uma ngabe ngesinye isikhathi uthe no, cha. Everyone is astonished. Why? What is he or she up to? Why anqaba this time? Now, batidekile, and once batideka, people are curious now. Why is this one not available anymore? Why? Tembeni, what is happening? Yabona, scarcity ne curiosity. Lezo zinto zicombine zo-two. It creates something for you. Now they are curious. Why? And you are not available. Look at the product, the business model. People ban a curiosity. You patha le phone to iPhone. Ban that curiosity, and it is not pervasively available to everyone. Yabo? It is not pervasively available to everyone. And people ban that curiosity. Yokuyiphatha. Yabo? And that creates demand for it. And once the demand is there for it, the value increases. Sometimes mele ujike nje endleleni. Ukuyijike nje. Bemangale bonke. Wena, you always think for people. Every time you always think for them. It's them first and you last. I need to be available for them. Every time. Look, even your partner, even your children, even your parents, whoever, sometimes you gotta say no. You gotta say no. They learn option B. You are teaching them. It works both ways. It creates value for you. It teaches them to seek for other avenues. Then in that way you are not going to become the first option every time, but you will become the last resort. Now you have created value for yourself. Now you are the last resort, not the first option that will be obviously available every time. Awunazwi mawunjalo, awunapepuni mawunjalo. Yabona ngisho desperate ngumuntu uthi ufuna ukuthi angakushiyi, you become too available for yena and ila kushiya khona. Content ngisho ngayisho la ngayibamba ngoba icontent yami ibuye ibuke izingane. Ekishiyo usisi ukuthi yonke ngilokhu ngene yonke kodwa buka nje uyaqhubeka uyochitha kanti ufuna ngenzeni ngimlokhu njela yonke nje. For the mere fact ukuthi umlokhu njela yona yonke, that is why ayikho scarce. You are too available. Angizwe na you think umbamba ngokuthi no man. It desperation, it creates something for you that is very terrible. The very thing that you are trying to fix, being desperate and too available, it puts you in the same position that you are running away from. Hayi man, sqatshe man, come on, sqatshe. Bane backbone right uwedwa futhi. You can do things on your own. Come on, man.